Hi everyone, it's Mike here with part 2 of the rock candy experiment video. In part 1, we made rock candy and explored how the formation of our sugar crystals can teach us about crystallization. If you remember from part 1, I made 2 rock candy skewers, one red one and one blue one. Today, we're going to explore how our rock candy can teach us about financial literacy. But first, let's talk about what financial literacy is and why it's important. Financial literacy refers to the knowledge and skills you need to make informed financial decisions and manage your money effectively. Financial literacy is super important because it equips us with the knowledge and tools we need to manage our money wisely. As you grow older, you'll start having to make financial decisions on your own, so it's important that we get a head start learning the skills you'll need. By having a strong financial background from a young age, you're setting the foundation to build a better life for yourself and your family in the future. In each experiment, we'll learn a new concept while having some fun along the way. And what's a better way to have fun than by making rock candy?
Today's concept is delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is the process in which you resist the temptation of an immediate reward and instead wait for a better reward later. Delayed gratification is one of the most important skills needed to make smart financial decisions. To understand delayed gratification better, let's take a look at our rock candy. Pictured here is the red rock candy that I only let grow for one day. As I watched my crystals grow, the candy looked so good and I really wanted to eat it. After only 24 hours, I couldn't wait any longer and I took my candy out of the jar. Because I only gave the crystals a day to grow, my candy was super small. In this case, I received instant gratification, meaning that I did not have to wait very long and got to enjoy my rock candy right away, but the rock candy was really small. Pictured here is the blue rock candy. While my red rock candy sure was tasty, I wished my candy was bigger. So for my blue rock candy, while I wanted to eat my candy after 24 hours, instead, I let it grow for a whole week. Because I gave the sugar crystals 7 days to grow, my blue rock candy is much bigger than my red rock candy. In this case, I received delayed gratification, meaning that while I had to wait much longer to enjoy my candy than I did for the red rock candy, the blue rock candy was far more enjoyable since it was so much bigger, emphasizing the value of patience. These same concepts also apply to financial decision making. For example, every time you have $1, you could spend it on a candy bar at the store. By buying the candy bar, you'll receive instant gratification and can enjoy the candy right away. However, instead, if you choose to save each dollar, after a few months you might have enough money to buy that new bike you wanted. By saving up for the bike, you're receiving delayed gratification. You have to wait much longer, but the reward is far greater. Instead of spending all of your money immediately on small items, you should save your money to pay for bigger and better things in the future. Today, delayed gratification can help you to save up for that new toy or bike. But years from now, it'll help you to save up for a car, college, a new home, or even retirement. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Next time you go to buy something, remember to practice delayed gratification, and as always, science is in everything we do.